I'd like to talk a little bit more about the offset smoker and why I think it should be your choice for a smoker when you start. The reason we call this an offset smoker is because, as you can see, the coal section is offset from where you're going to put the ribs and where the cooking is going to happen. The other thing you'll notice about an offset smoker is the large area where you can put your ribs, which is great because, believe me, once you start smoking ribs, you're going to want to do it a lot and you're going to have a lot of friends because of it. One thing to concern yourself with is having a thermometer to tell you what the dome temperature is. That's important, and we'll get into that later. You'll notice also that there's a hole in the chamber where you put the ribs, and that allows for fat to drip out, which is important because there will be a lot of fat drippings. You'll either have to put a can underneath that you'll put on a hanger that will be supplied by the smoker, or what I like to do is just put a larger vessel because it fills up so quickly. You'll also notice inside that I laid down some tin foil. The reason I do that is it just makes cleanup a lot easier. The amount of fat that's going to drop is going to be a lot, and one thing I don't like to do is to clean, and being able to just crumple that up and throw it out, it's a big help. Also, one thing I recommend is to clean your smoker or any grill that you might have right after you're done. Two other things that you'll notice about this smoker is the butterfly damper and the smokestack damper. Those are two crucial parts to this smoker. It's going to help you regulate temperature, which is very important.